Hi, I'm Will from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our rear NS and OS adjustable toolbox racking. The tools you need are a 6mm Allen key, PZ2 bit and a rubber mallet. Parts in the kit that you'll receive: the front panel, the two left and right doors and the middle door. These are your shelves. You've got your back, your base of your shelf and the front of your shelf. So the base, you want to start the textured side facing up. You want to get your rear textured side in. And then for the front, the smooth side facing out. So once you've assembled the three components of the shelf, you need to screw them together using the 30mm wood screws you'll receive in the fitting pack. So I'm going to repeat that one more time. The middle shelf, the bottom shelf is just two components on its own. Now I'm going to assemble the bottom shelf, which only has two components, a base and a back. So as you can see, we've got our three fixed shelves assembled. We've got the bottom, the middle and the top. These two are exactly the same, it's just a different one at the bottom. We're going to move on now to assemble the main rack. So first thing to assemble the main rack is you're going to grab your Vanimal door, turn it round. You're going to get your top shelf and fit that into the locating holes. Make sure you're all flush up to the end panel. Your middle shelf. And finally your bottom shelf. Okay, so next you're going to take your middle panel, flip it and locate it into the shelf holes. So when locating the shelves into the end panels, I find that it's easier to start at the top and work my way away from myself, locating the rear rail first, then the middle, then the front. So once you've pushed all your shelving into your end panels, you're now going to screw them together using the 30mm wood screws, one at each side of the tenon. So now I'm going to turn the rack on the other side and we're going to do exactly the same for that side. Okay, so once we've fitted all our screws, we're going to stand this up now. So depending on which kit you've ordered from us, if you've ordered Milwaukee, you're going to receive a front panel like this, which sits there. Or if you've ordered DeWalt or Makita, you're going to receive a panel that looks like that. The way we fit both panels is exactly the same. So to fit this front panel, it's easier to lay the main rack down on its back. And then we're simply going to grab the front panel and locate it onto the end. Simply locate the front panel onto the end panel. Once we've located our front panel onto our rack, we're going to then use our 30mm wood screws to fix it together. So once we've finished screwing the hole of the front to the rack, we're going to put it standing up. And the next step is we're going to take our last end panel and locate it into the end of the front panel and screw using the 30mm wood screws again. So that's our main structure of our rack completed. We're going to move on to our adjustable toolbox shelves. So depending on which product you've purchased, either DeWalt ToughSystem or DeWalt TSTAK, they both go together exactly the same. 3 components, 2 sides, 1 main shelf, simply just go onto the ends like that. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to assemble the DeWalt ToughSystem shelf. Grab my side, noting the recessed holes need to be facing in with the textured side out. So just locate. Flip over, same with the other, recessed with the recessed holes facing into the toolbox shelf, and locate. So then we're going to take our 30mm wood screws, 2 on each side. So that's our main toolbox shelf assembled. So once we've assembled our toolbox shelf, we're going to insert it into the main body of the rack. So depending on which toolbox sizes you've got a different selection of holes on the sides for different heights. Totally your preference where you want to pop it. So now we're going to fix our toolbox shelf in location using 4 of the 6mm Allen key bolts that you receive in your fitting kit. Simply just offer the toolbox shelf in. So now you've got it in position, simply take your 6mm Allen key bolt, your 6mm Allen key, and tighten up. So once you fit your first shelf, you take your second shelf, and the process is exactly the same. That's your main rack now assembled, ready to fit into your van. So if you've purchased our optional top tray, there's 3 components to this. You've got a base, front, and a rear. You're simply just going to take the rear, locate into the holes, take the front, locate into the front of the shelf. And then just take your 30mm wood screws and turn it over, screw your rear rail in. So once you've assembled your top tray, you're going to simply take it, pop it onto the top of the body of your main rack, flush at the ends, flush at the front, and then you just want 2 wood screws. So that's the main body of the rack fitted with the additional top tray. Thanks for watching.